Hello, and welcome to our video today. Today, I will show you how to proceed when a supplier provides you with a catalog via wescale catalogs and WPS catalogs has been selected as the target system. Once the supplier has successfully created the catalog, you will automatically receive an email notification about it. This email looks something like this. Now click on the button. Go to Job Details to go directly to the overview of the details. Here, you see that a new catalog version has been created and find the associated catalog ID. It is advisable to copy this ID directly to the clipboard now, as we will need it again later. Then go through the main menu to Management, Content, Hosted Catalog Connections. Now enter the catalog ID into the search field and the corresponding connection will be displayed directly to you. By clicking on, you will reach the stored information. Under the catalog version section, you can now see that there is indeed a new version. In our example, this version includes 3 items. At this point, the following happens. The catalog is automatically transferred to the target system, WPS Catalogs. Once this is completed, you will receive another notification via email. Through this email, you can jump directly into WPS Catalogs. Once here, you first need to complete the catalog data. However, you also have the option to manually select the catalog via the new Catalogs menu. Now enter the name of the supplier, select the appropriate language and the target area. Then, set the target system to which the catalog should be applied. If you have not set up an approval workflow at this point, you should do so now. Click on Manage Approval Workflow and select an approval. In our example, I select myself as the approver. By clicking back, you will then return to the overview. Now you can finally complete the catalog. In the next step, check your catalog template. To display only relevant catalogs, you can narrow the list and click Refresh. If it shows here that there is no catalog version with product data available. It is usually due to violations against the content profile. To investigate these, go back to the wescale overview. Select the respective job under Related Jobs. And take a close look at the validation report. There you will see which data was transmitted incorrectly or incompletely. Typical errors relate to categories or currencies. These validation rules are defined in the so-called content profile. By clicking on, you can view and adjust the validation rules if needed. In our example, I noticed that for the currency field, instead of euro, it would be better to enter the abbreviation EUR. I will now make this change directly, then I will publish it. In the validation report, you might identify errors, for example, with categories or currencies. These rules were set in your content profile. You can find the content profile under Management, Content, Hosted Catalog Connections. Click on Open Content Profile there. If you notice that validation rules are incorrect, you can adjust them directly. Subsequently, you update and publish the content profile. If errors are on the part of the supplier, such as incorrect categories, inform them. The supplier must now adjust their catalog data and provide it again, for example, via Excel upload. Afterward, the supplier uploads the corrected file again and creates a new catalog version. After approval by the supplier, you will now see a second version with the corrected items under Catalog version. Check the validation report again to ensure everything is correct now. Finally, go back to WPS Catalog, select the appropriate catalog, and check the position. As approvers, you can now proceed with the approval. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.